2024 Toyota Corolla Cross boasts a bold and athletic exterior, with sculpted lines and an aggressive front grille that exudes confidence. Presented by Desert Toyota, its sleek profile is accentuated by sharp LED headlights, and the available 18-inch alloy wheels add to its commanding presence. Roof rails provide extra versatility for outdoor enthusiasts, while the available two-tone color options create a stylish, contemporary look that stands out in the crowded compact SUV market. Under the hood, the 2024 Corolla Cross offers a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 169 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Corolla Cross offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. With available all-wheel drive, the vehicle is prepared for various driving conditions, providing stability and confidence even in inclement weather. Plus, its fuel efficiency, rated at up to 32 miles per gallon combined, makes it an economical choice for everyday driving. The rear seats of the 2024 Corolla Cross are designed with comfort in mind, offering ample legroom and headroom for adult passengers. The seats are supportive and can recline slightly to enhance long trip comfort. With the 60/40 split folding configuration, the back seats provide additional flexibility for cargo space, making it easy to accommodate both passengers and larger items when needed. Inside, the Corolla Cross is thoughtfully designed, blending functionality with style. High-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces give the cabin a premium feel. The spacious interior offers plenty of storage compartments for daily essentials, while available leather upholstery and a power-adjustable driver's seat add a touch of luxury. The elevated seating position offers excellent visibility, and the intuitive layout of controls makes it easy for drivers to stay focused on the road. The Corolla Cross comes equipped with a variety of modern tech features to keep you connected on the go. A standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to integrate your smartphone for navigation, calls, and music streaming. Wireless charging is available, and higher trims include a premium JBL audio system, delivering crisp and immersive sound for your favorite playlists or podcasts. Toyota continues its tradition of prioritizing safety with the 2024 Corolla Cross. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure, warning with steering assist, pre-collision braking, and automatic high beams. Additional features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert enhance overall safety and help to reduce the risk of accidents, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. Convenience features abound in the Corolla Cross, starting with keyless entry and push-button start. The hands-free power liftgate, available in higher trims, makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. Dual-zone automatic climate control keeps the cabin at the perfect temperature for both the driver and passengers, and numerous USB ports ensure that everyone can keep their devices charged on long journeys. The 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross strikes an impressive balance between style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter vehicle, a family-friendly SUV, or something versatile for weekend getaways, the Corolla Cross offers a well-rounded package. With its advanced technology, safety features, and comfortable interior, it's poised to be a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV market. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com. Give us a call at 520-585-5413 or stop by our showroom today.